Hello everyone. So this is the question which people ask me multiple number of times, that why do we use Python for data science? And I mean the answer is not simple, right? But I just wanted to give you some clarity over here. So Python is a general purpose language, and it has been used for multiple different domains. For example, it has been used for web application, it has been used for scripting, it has been used for mathematics programming, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, robotics, IoT. It has also been used for automation purposes. Now apart from that, if you talk about the functional side of it, Python can work as a functional programming language, and it can also work as a object oriented programming language. So which means that you can create your web applications, and you can connect them with something which is functional. And since Python offers you these many connectivity features, it is easier for us to integrate machine learning and artificial intelligence, with any object oriented web application or application, right, itself. Which means that if I'm designing one solution in artificial intelligence and machine learning, or in data science for that matter, and I'm designing one application and I wanted to connect these two things with machine learning, I can easily do that, right? Think about that if I have created some machine learning application in artificial intelligence, or machine learning application or artificial intelligence coding over here, and I have to integrate this with C++ programming, there will be a lot of efforts. But both of these applications, if they are designed in Python, it would be like piece of cake for me to connect and make it functional. Moreover, since Python has been heavily used in multiple aspect of programming, it is easy for us to integrate my all logical things, my analytical capabilities into it. This is the major reason why Python is being used. The second most important reason is that there are lots and lots of community people who are helping Python to make it better. So like, be it machine learning, be it data science, be it any programming thing, all of these things are already being done in Python, and there is no point reinventing the wheel again. Which means that if you pick up any other programming language and start grooming that programming language to make it more efficient with machine learning and AI, or data science for that matter, this is pretty difficult, right? Because you're going to reinvent the wheel. So that's why people use, a lot of times people use Python for data science and machine learning and AI application. Hope that answers your query. Thank you so much.